Alright guys, good morning. How you doing? I literally just woke up. I slept here at work last night in my truck, in the parking lot. Yeah, I've only got about 30 minutes before I gotta work again. Whew. I think I only got like maybe 3 hours of sleep. But basically I had to count inventory last night and had to be here again in the morning, so I wasn't going to drive all the way home. As you can see, I blocked off the backside of my truck. Kind of made a tent out of it. Got my 15-degree sleeping bag. And I rocked it. It was just hard to get to sleep though after counting inventory. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to get ready for work now. Yeah. Good morning. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'll see you after work. Wish me luck. Alright guys, I just got off work and I'm tripping out right now. Kind of sprinkling. It's pretty much supposed to be cloudy for the next like 10 days. Cloudy and rain, but warm rain. It's like 60 degrees, so that's the nice thing, is we're kind of looking at warmer temperatures and everything, and rain is going to create a lot of good surf on the river. So we're pretty excited about that. Other than that, man, I'm exhausted. I just worked till 2 o'clock. I worked till 1 a.m. last night. Got into the truck back here and couldn't sleep until about 2. I think I fell asleep at 2 o'clock. And then I woke up at 5:30 and then just worked till 2. So yeah, I'm kind of out of it a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back home at the abode. Just took a shower, feel kind of refreshed. Kids are outside, let's see what they're doing. Fart man? You're a mud boy. Go, go, go!
Dad, go!
Dad, go!
Go, go, go!
Can I have a kiss?
Yes. Then I can have wheels when I wake up. Because I didn't sleep.
Yeah, you didn't sleep. We're going to bed early tonight, huh?
Yes.
Everybody's going to bed early.
Yes.
Daddy's tired too.
Yes.
Tahoe has been kind of flat lately, and it turns out Friday, April 5th at from 2 to 8 p.m. Looks like we're gonna have some decent waves on the lake, but unfortunately Deetra will be out of town in Portland, and I will be a stay-at-home dad for 5 days. So that's during that 5 days, that 5-day period. Alright guys, I kept waiting to sign off the vlog because I thought I might do something with my life today, but no, it ain't happening. And now it's kind of cold, little breezy storm just rolled in and getting some rain. But yeah, it was kind of warm and cloudy all day, and now it's cold and cloudy. So anyways, hope you guys had a good day, and we will see you tomorrow.